Rexushi's taken a selfie. With those tiny arms and those banana teeth smiling. Ha! Do you think he roars or he smiles? Wait! Ha ha ha! That's hilarious.
Wow! Did you see that little elf talking about the dinosaur? Adorable overload, right? Want to learn how to make a talking avatar that's not boring? Then follow me. I'll show you the amazing banana way to bring your characters to life. Step 1. Grab a free text model like ChatGPT. Ask it to help you write a character prompt, then tweak it until it fits your taste. Elf, robot, pizza wizard. Cook up whatever you like, as long as it's got a humanish face. Yeah, no dancing pineapples or flying goats here. Yet. Next, turn that idea into a face. Use a free AI image tool like Leonardo or GoogleFX. I used GoogleFX because, well, free is my favorite flavor. Now, head to ElevenLabs. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free too. Want a custom voice like the childlike one I'm using? You can design it yourself. I already made a video showing how to bypass the no-kid voice restriction. You can check it out on my channel. Here's a special tip from Auntie AI. Want to make your character sound more alive? Add some flavor to that script. First, add tags to control the pause. 0.3 seconds is just a tiny pause. Less than a second. Want to add more drama? Stretch it out to 3 or 5 seconds if you like. Next, toss in narration cues, like he whispered, she gasped, or he said hesitantly. This tells the voice how to read it, just like a real storyteller would. And if you want to get extra spicy, sprinkle in some 3 dots sauce, like this, for a sneaky pause. Or crank it up with big capital words to make it sound super excited. That's how you add flavor and make your character not boring. Here's another special tip from Auntie AI. Take full advantage of the voice settings. For kid characters, I bump up the speed, makes them sound extra bouncy and full of energy. I lower the stability so the voice gets more expressive and lively. I keep the similarity high to make sure the voice stays true to itself. And I crank up the style exaggeration just a little over 50% to boost the excitement. But careful, push it too high, and that voice will start screaming at you. Trust me, my ears still hurt. Now let's make it talk. Go to Heygen, click Create Video, choose your aspect ratio, and upload your avatar image. Give it a name. Once your upload is done, you'll see a button that says, Add Voice. You can explore their voices if you want to, but me, I like using my own masterpiece from ElevenLabs, so I just close that window. Then you can drag your avatar image onto the timeline. Right-click the audio track underneath and delete it. Now you can upload your masterpiece. You can give it a quick test run, make sure it's the right file and everything sounds good. If it's awesome, then hit submit, sit back, do a little banana dance, and let it process. Then, bam, you've yourself a magical talking avatar, ready to show off.
Rexushi's taken a selfie. With those tiny arms and those banana teeth smiling. Ha! Do you think he roars or he smiles? Wait! Ha ha ha! That's hilarious.
And hey, quick tip! Heygen gives you a free tier with 3 avatar videos. If you run out of space, no worries. Just delete some old videos, and boom, you can add more avatar videos. Easy peasy banana squeezy. And that's how you make a character that actually talks, with personality, pauses, and full-on style. Now go cook up something awesome, and make those avatars dance!
Suddenly, a voice spoke, sharp and blunt. You roll into a ball, what can you even do? Hissed the snake. The fox snickered. You're too slow to keep up with us. Archie lowered his head. Maybe. They were right. Hoping for a strong friend, Archie approached the mighty eagle. I'd love to be your friend, he said softly. The eagle scoffed. Friends, you can't even fly. Archie watched as the eagle soared high into the sky, leaving him far behind. Next, Archie met a friendly panda. Maybe you'll be my friend, he asked hesitantly. The panda smiled kindly. I'd like to, but I already have so many friends. Archie's steps grew slower and slower. He looked down at his feet as he walked away, alone again. After walking for what felt like forever, Archie spotted a young red fox wagging its tail playfully. With a hopeful heart, Archie asked, "Will you be my friend?" The fox tilted its head. "You seem nice, but I only play with other foxes." Archie forced a smile. "That's okay," he whispered. Even though it wasn't. Archie kept walking, his heart heavy. He sat alone on a rock by the river, watching the water ripple. He had almost given up. But suddenly, a warm, gentle voice spoke. "Why are you sad, little armadillo?" Archie jumped slightly and turned around. When he saw a sloth hanging lazily from a branch, he sighed. "No one wants to be my friend." The sloth smiled. "Well, I do. I like to take things slow, too." The sloth stretched its arm. "My name is Sul. It's nice to meet you, my friend." For the first time, Archie's heart felt warm. His eyes brightened, filled with hope and joy. He smiled at Sul. "My name is Archie. I would love to have you as my friend." Under the shade of a big old tree, Archie and Sul sat together watching the sunset. They both felt happy, because they had finally found a true friend. Archie smiled. "This is perfect." Sul nodded slowly, and they laughed together. Because now, Archie had a true friend. A special message for you. Sometimes it might feel like no one wants to play with you. But just like Archie, there is always someone out there who will like you just the way you are. Friendship isn't about being the fastest, the strongest, or the most popular. It's about finding someone who enjoys spending time with you, listen to you, have fun with. So don't be sad. Your true friend is out there, just waiting to meet you.